Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today we're going to talk about the Florida weave. Okay, what we're doing, we've got this twine and we've got these tomatoes, and what the Florida weave is a way to support these tomatoes without having to have cages or individual stakes. And it usually does a pretty good job. Now there's different ways you can do it, but normally the recommended way would be weaving around one, around the other, around the other, and then come around your pole. Now, once you come around your pole, you want to kind of pull it tight, and then you're going to continue this on down just like this. As these get taller, you're just going to add another line. Anyway, let me finish down this row and then we'll start back up. Once you get to the end, just tie it off to the pole. Now we went around this side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to lace right around the other side, back and forth, just the same way. Okay, and what you can see is now this rope has sturdied up these tomatoes, and it holds them so the wind doesn't blow them over. What we'll do is continue now. As these grow, we'll just add another line. We'll just keep doing this. Now these are determinate tomatoes, so they're not going to get real tall. They'll get maybe 4 foot. If you're lucky, they'll get 4 foot. And of course, these were hybrid seeds, so we don't know. They might revert to some kind of indeterminate and get taller. But we're not going to worry about it too much. We'll just, as these grow, we're not going to do anything. We'll come down here and maybe in a few days, and we'll prune the lower limbs that are going to be close and touching the ground, so that we won't have to worry about as much of a blight problem. But as far as any other pruning on these, we won't. We'll just keep going. Now they are kind of small, but they're already starting to set some fruit, so we'll see how this does. And if you want to see more of these tips or follow me, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell button, and of course give it a big thumbs up. Happy gardening.